In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cart notes to your Shopify cart page. This handy feature allows your customers to include special instructions with their orders, adding a personalized touch to their shopping experience. Let's dive into it. First, we're going to start by heading over to the site editor on your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, turn your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a variety of options, but the one you want to focus on is the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to opening the theme settings, so go ahead and give it a click. Once you've opened the theme settings, the next step is to select the cart option. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak cart settings to better suit both your business needs and your customers' preferences. Now, when you're in the cart settings, you should see an option to enable cart notes. This is the feature we're particularly interested in today. By activating this feature, you'll be giving customers the opportunity to include special instructions with their orders. It's important to make this process as seamless as possible for your customers, as it can greatly enhance their shopping experience whenever they need to communicate any nuances about their orders. One crucial thing to keep in mind is that the availability of the cart notes feature might depend on the theme you're using. For example, in this video, I'm using the Dawn theme, which does support cart notes right out of the box. However, other themes might offer different levels of customization and functionality. Some themes might provide even more features, while others might be slightly more limited. So, if you find your theme doesn't support this exact feature, you might want to explore other themes available in Shopify's vast theme marketplace, or consider custom development if you're comfortable with that route. And that's all there is to it. Adding cart notes can be a simple yet effective way to offer more flexibility to your customers and foster better communication. Remember, the little bits of personalization you can offer through Shopify can significantly improve customer satisfaction and help create repeat business. So now, with just a few clicks, you've enabled a feature that could make a real difference in how your customers perceive their shopping experience with you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your Shopify store. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online business. See you next time.